STS-42 was a Space Shuttle Discovery mission with a Spacelab module. Liftoff was originally scheduled for 8:45 Est. 13:45 UTC, the 22nd of January 1992, but the launch was delayed due to weather constraints. Discovery successfully lifted off an hour later at 9:52 Est. 14:52 UTC. The main goal of the mission was to study the effects of microgravity on a variety of organisms. The shuttle landed at 8:07 PST, 16:07 UTC, on the 30th of January 1992 on Runway 22. Edwards Air Force Base, California. STS-42 was the first of two flights in 1992 of Discovery, the second of which occurred during STS-43, which launched on the 2nd of December 1992. The mission was also the last mission of the Space Shuttle Discovery to have a 7-member crew, until STS-82, which was launched on the 11th of February 1997. Crew seating arrangements. Crew notes. The crew of STS-42 included West Germany's first astronaut, Ulf Merbold, who was making his second spaceflight, and Canada's first female astronaut, Roberta Bonder. In order to allow around-the-clock monitoring of experiments, the astronauts were divided into a red team and a blue team. Manly L. Carter was originally assigned to fly as Mission Specialist 3 for this mission, but died 7 months prior to the launch in a plane crash. David Hilmers was then chosen to replace him. Mission highlights. STS-42 was launched on the 22nd of January 1992. 9:52:33 AM Est. The launch was delayed by 1 hour due to weather constraints. The launch weight was 243,396 pounds, 110.403 megagrams. Discovery carried into orbit the International Microgravity Laboratory 1, IML-1, a pressurized manned Spacelab module, to explore in depth the complex effects of weightlessness on living organisms and materials. Processing. The international crew, divided into red and blue teams, conducted experiments on the human nervous system's adaptation to low gravity and the effects of microgravity on other life forms such as shrimp eggs, lentil seedlings, fruit fly eggs and bacteria. Low-gravity materials processing experiments included crystal growth from a variety of substances, such as enzymes, mercury, iodine and a virus. Other payloads included 10 getaway special gas canisters, a number of MIDIC payloads and 2 Shuttle Student Involvement Program SSIP experiments. MIDIC payloads included gelation of salts, applied microgravity research, GOSAMR, investigations into polymer membrane processing, IPMP, and the radiation monitoring experiment, RME-3. The mission landed on the 30th of January 1992, 8:07:17 AM PST, Runway 22, Edwards Air Force Base, CA. After being extended by a day for continued scientific experimentation, the rollout distance was 9,811 feet. The orbiter returned to Kennedy Space Center on the 16th of February 1992. The landing weight was 218,016 pounds, 98.890 megagrams. Mission insignia. The 4 stars in the lower blue field and 2 stars in the upper blue field of the insignia symbolize the flight's numerical designation in the Space Transportation System's mission sequence. The single gold star above the horizon on the right is in honor of astronaut Manly "Sonny" Carter, who was killed in the crash of Atlantic Southeast Airlines Flight 2311 in Brunswick, Georgia, while on a commercial airplane traveling for NASA. Carter was originally assigned as a mission specialist on STS-42 at the time of his death. See also: List of human spaceflights, List of Space Shuttle missions, Nikon NASA F4, Outline of Space Science, Space Shuttle. This article incorporates public domain material from websites or documents of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA Mission Summary. STS-42 Press Kit. STS-42 Video Highlights.